Children, today we will learn how to convert decimals into standard form. Children, in yesterday class, I was dealing with the normal numbers into standard form. Today we will discuss how to convert decimals into standard form. Whatever is the standard form? Standard form means after first number decimal should come. Okay, so children, suppose 1, 2, 3 was there. Yesterday I was telling this topic. This is not a decimal. Yesterday topic repetition. 1, 2, 3 is there. After 1 I want decimal means what I did children yesterday, I multiplied with 100 and I divided with 100. Denominator I used it for putting decimal, so it became 1.23 into 10 to the power of 2. This is the answer. 123 in standard form means 1.23 into 10 to the power of 2. This was your answer yesterday, children. This was your answer yesterday. Now, children, today, suppose someone will give you like this, children. 0.00123. 0.00123. Mute your audios. 0.00123. Where should our decimal come, children? 1, 2, 3. Here our decimal should come. Okay, children. So how many places it is moving right side? Here it was moving left side, 2 points. No, children. Here it is moving right side, 2 points, children. So what the 3 points? So 0.00123 multiply with 1000, divide with 1000. Is it okay, children? Because it is moving 3 times. No, multiply with 1000, divide with 1000. If you are moving left side, you will use denominator for putting decimal. If you are moving right side, we will use multiplication for putting decimal. This 1000 we will use it for putting decimal. Then what it will become, children? It will become 1.23. This is used for putting decimal, and this will be 10 to the power of 3. If it comes up 1.23 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Like this you are going to do. Okay, children, if you didn't understand, one more sum I will tell, don't worry. I'll teach you how many sums you want, that many, but don't get confused. That's why yesterday I did not tell about the decimals, children, because normal numbers is different, decimals is not. In normal numbers, we are using denominator for putting the decimal. In decimals, we are putting numerator for putting decimal, children. You should understand that fine difference. I hope you are able to understand. If you don't understand, one more sum I will say. 0.00693. Okay, children. So point is moving 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it is moving 3 times to put after first number decimal should come. So divide and multiply with what, children? 1000 only, because 3 numbers, 3 zeros. So 0.00693 divide with 1000, multiply with 1000. Numerator we use for putting the decimal. 6.93 by 10 to the power of 1000 we write is 3. This comes up 6.93 into 10 to the power of minus 3, like this. Okay. One more example if you didn't understand. Okay, now I will be asking one by one student. Yashika, you tell Nana first sum.
Yes, sir.
See here, 0.02345. Okay, so our point should come after how many places? 2 places. So
Sir, two
multiply and divide with
places.
multiply and
Sir,
divide with
multiply and divide with 100.
100, because 2 places means 100.
100.
Okay, 0.02345 into 100 by 100. Right side you are coming means numerator you will
By
use. This is for decimal. How much you will get? 2.34 by
Sir,
10 square.
2.3
This comes up
by
as
10
2.34
power
into
2.
minus 2.
And so
10 to the power of
2.34 into 10 power 1.
minus 2. Next, Vikari.
Sir, in question there is 4 5, sir.
Okay, mute your audio, mute your audio. Don't open audio. Jitin, mute your audio. Okay, next.
Yes, sir.
Srikari 1, 2, 3.456. Point should come after first number. 1, 2. Multiply, divide with
100.
100. 1, 2,
Is equals
3,
to
5,
1, 2,
4,
3, 4,
5, 6.
4, 5, 6 into 100 by 100.
Tell me which
By
one you will
100
use,
we have
numerator or denominator? Which one
by
you will
a
use?
denominator,
Very good, because it is coming left side. Because it
left
is
side,
coming left side. So denominator we use for putting decimal.
decimals.
1.23.
1.23456 into 10 power 3.
Very good. 10 power of 2 only. 2 only. 10 power of 2. Very good. So children, if decimal is going left, use denominator. If decimal is going right, use numerator. If decimal is going left, use denominator. If decimal is going right, use numerator for putting the decimal, children. If you didn't understand, one more sum. Sahasra, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me?
Yes, sir.
1,
1, 2, 3, 4,
5,
5,
6.
6.
Multiply and divide with?
Multiply and divide with 10 to the power 6. So 0.000000234 into 10 to the power 6 by 10 to the power 6.
We will use
So
numerator and
0
denominator for putting decimal.
numerator.
Very good. Because if it is coming right, use numerator. If it is coming left, use denominator.
Yes.
Okay, children. So this is used for putting decimal. This is putting used for putting decimal. So how much you will get?
So 2.34 into 10 to the power 6.
Minus 6.
Minus
This goes
6.
up. This is used for putting decimal. This used for putting decimal. This goes up. Minus 6. Next, Nikita. One, 2, 3, 4, 5.6. Yeah, Nikita, multiply and divide with?
Multiply and divide with 10 to the power of 4. So
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.6 into 10 to the power of 4 by 10 to the power of 4.
As we are going left, we use numerator or denominator. As we are
Denom-
going
denominator.
This is used for putting decimal. So 1.23.
1.23456 into 10 to the power of 4.
Video audio. Next, Ashita.
Yes, sir.
0.00234.
Multiply and divide with 1.
Multiply and divide with?
10 to the power of 3.
1, 2, 3. So 0.00234 into 10 to the power
Into
of 3.
10 power 3 divided by 10 power 3.
So what happens? We'll use numerator denominator for putting a decimal.
Numerator.
Numerator, because it is coming right. Right means numerator. Okay, children. So 2.34. This goes up.
Into 10 power minus 3.
Into 10 to the power of minus 3. Hope you people are able to understand, children. Whenever you are coming right side, like this, children, when you are coming right side, use numerator for putting decimal. When you are going left side, children, like this, when you are going left side, use denominator for putting. That's why, children, yesterday sums and today sums are deviated. Yesterday sums everything I told going left. Today I am telling you all coming right. Okay, children. So right or left, you should be very, very careful, children. Which one we will use for putting the decimals is very, very important. Okay, children. One second. I'll ask some more. I'll teach 2, 3 questions extra. Next, Narayana, are you there? Narayana?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Multiply, divide with?
Okay, sir. Multiply and divide with 10 to the 10. So 12.3 into 10 by 10.
Okay, which one we will use? Denominator or numerator?
So numerator.
No, denominator. Left with denominator we will use. So this we use for putting decimal. 1.23 into 10 is the answer. Next, Jitin. Jitin,
Yes, sir.
what? Mute your audio, lot of disturbance, mute your audio. Abhiram,
Yes, sir.
here, how many numbers you will multiply and divide with?
We should multiply and divide with 3.
Okay. So here you will use numerator or denominator for putting decimal. Right side means numerator. We are coming right side now, so we'll use numerator. So you will get 2.1.
Yes.
This will go up 10 to the power of minus 3. Sudeep, okay, children. So you practice some homework, children. If you practice some homework, then you will understand, children. Okay, homework sums I'm putting here. 1 second, just be online, children. So some homework sums, if you do, you will understand clearly when to put and what to put and how to put everything, children. So some questions I will give. Okay, children. Please take down these examples. Please take down, children. Children, do all the sums, children. If you still want to practice, in the description of this video, I'll give so many sums, children. You keep practicing. So always, whenever you are coming left, children, whenever you are coming left, use denominator. Whenever you are coming right, use numerator for putting decimal. If you remember like this, you can easily solve all the numericals, children. Okay, children.